I am so nervous. I don't get why I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I filmed like 1,000 videos already and I don't know why I'm so nervous. It just makes me want to scream. We're gonna ignore that and we're gonna begin. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Valeria, but you can call me Val because it's easier to pronounce. As you guys saw in the title, this is gonna be a completely different video. This is gonna be the James Charles casting call, and I am so excited to film this video and nervous at the same time. I don't know which emotion is winning right now. Without a further ado, let's begin. So I'm gonna prime my eyes and I'm gonna bring you guys closer to me and we're gonna begin this video. Okay, now that our eyes are primed, of course we're gonna be using the James Charles X Morphe palette. This is the original size. As you can see, she a big zaddy, so that's the one we're gonna be using. So let's begin with the about me because people wanna get to know me, so let's give them what they want. So I'm 20 years old. I was born in Caracas, Venezuela. I speak Spanish as well. I started my YouTube channel like 3 years ago and it's been like on and off really, because at first it's not that I wasn't committed, I just didn't have the time to do it because I was still in high school and it was really hard for me to do it. But we made it through 3 years and going strong. As I said before, I was born in Caracas, Venezuela, and like when I was 10 years old, I moved to the Dominican Republic, and that's where I basically grew up, and that's where I started my YouTube channel. My biggest inspiration was definitely like Michelle Phan. Ever since I discovered Michelle Phan, I always knew that I wanted to like start a YouTube channel one day, and I've been following Michelle since her first video ever, which is insane because I was a kid still, but she's one of my biggest inspirations, so I owe it to her. I love you, Michelle. If you're watching this, love you, Michelle. You're probably wondering, why are you entering this casting call if you live in the Dominican Republic? That don't make no sense. But let me tell you, girl, I actually live in US. I moved to sunny Los Angeles a year ago, which I am so happy that I did. And I did it to pursue my dream. And my dream was attend FITM. So I go to FITM. I'm in the beauty marketing program. So for whoever's watching this, you can tell that beauty is my passion because it really took a lot of courage for me to move from my home, from where I lived, from my family, to a completely different country and study what I love. And I've never been happier to make that decision because I am so happy here and I love everything that I do, and I love learning so much about the beauty industry, and it is my passion. It's my first love, so I'm so happy that I pursued it and I had the courage to actually move. I am so far away from home. I'm a 12-hour flight away from home, so it's really hard for me, but here we are thriving. We are thriving because I love it here so much, and I am so happy and so grateful that I'm here. If you hear me say something really weird or pronounce something weird, it's my accent. I cannot help it. That's the way I speak. English is not my first language, so please bear with me. I literally I almost died, okay? Okay, now we're gonna contour, highlight, and all that with Miss Face Palette Nikita. Funny enough about me going to FITM, Nikita actually went to FITM as well, if you didn't know, which is crazy. It's like, oh my god, like, wow, you know? And actually, I've met James through FITM as well. Like, not personally, but he went to my school to talk. Now I'm gonna make my nose tiny. I don't wanna breathe through my nose, even though it's already tiny to begin with. But that's thanks to surgery because my nose is not really like this. So bless rhinoplasty. Oh my god, okay, so this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll keep you updated with what happens with this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss my beautiful face. And I'll see you in another video. Bye, sisters.